Hi, welcome to Soul of Art and Craft. I'm Sri, your artist. Today I'm gonna make a lip-on art on this oval shaped MDF, and I tried to make this tutorial as detailed as I can, so please watch it carefully till the end. Okay, let's start the process. And one thing, I didn't use gesso here. Actually, after doing the whole sketch of this art, I feel like I may need more than 2 coats of acrylic paint. But gesso is important, so don't forget to use it. And this is my first lip on art where I didn't use gesso. I was trying to find out the difference between with gesso and without gesso, how the art will look like. So the only difference I can see that if you use gesso, you only need 1 coat of acrylic paint, but if you don't, you need minimum 2 coats of acrylic paint, and I put here total 3 coats of acrylic paint. So please don't forget to use gesso. Okay, and all the products links are given in the description. Here I am doing the first coat of acrylic paint in the shade of Indian red. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon, so whenever I upload any update you will get the notification. Now I'm gonna make some strips and then twist it. Just watch it carefully how I'm doing it. Using acrylic paint is finished. Now I'm gonna use metallic wax here just to give a different metallic and vintage look of this art. now our artwork is finished. Just see, it is beautiful, isn't it? This art looks beautiful in dark as well as light color world. If you like my video, please hit the like button. This will really motivate me to create more such creative video. Last but not the least, thank you so much for watching. See you on my next video. Bye.